Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. This is an unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I have here a bog standard Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus in the midnight black color variant. We have an outer box with the specs on the back. This phone didn't have a ultra wide camera, only a telephoto one. And yes, it had the borders on top and on the bottom. Yeah, let's go through with the unboxing. This is the outer box. If we remove it, we have an inner box which opens like this. Here we have the documentation and the SIM ejector tool. Here we have the phone itself, and within the box we have the adaptive fast charger with the 18 watt charging, micro USB to USB Type-C adapter, USB on the go with USB Type-C, and here we have the headphones and USB-C cable. Nothing too special in the box, everything is quite well normal. Let's put the box aside and let's take a look at the phone itself. It has this screen protector with some of the most important specs. On the back you have another protector, the Galaxy S9 Plus logo. We have a 6.1 inches display. This has been increased to 6.4 I guess for the S10 Plus, given that it has no border here, and the chin is a little bit smaller as well. So this is a standard Galaxy phone. You have here the volume keys, Bixby button. On top we have the SIM and the micro SD card slot. This is a dual SIM variant, so yeah, you can either put two SIMs or one SIM and one micro SD card. Microphone on the right, unlock button, nothing else. On the bottom firing speaker, USB Type-C, microphone and headphone jack. Here the 8 megapixel front camera and the earphone, which also acts as a secondary speaker. And on the back we have the two cameras, 12 megapixel normal camera with dual aperture and telephoto lens, fingerprint scanner, and here we have the pulse sensor, the heart rate sensor. This is a general overview of this phone. As you can see, it's written duos here. This is the dual SIM variant. Most of the European S9 and S9 Plus devices were capable of dual SIM. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the unboxing experience for this device. In my opinion, the S10 Plus is a much more interesting device with a larger battery and with much better specs overall. This was an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here in the bottom left part. This was Mike the Tech Savvy. Wish you a great day. Bye.